Hey, just came back from a 1 week hunting up north, and obviously got lucky in the second day. So, morning of the second day, so we had a lot of time to do some partridge hunting. Partridge hunting is always a great time. So today, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you a couple of ways to skin a partridge. The third way is probably my favorite one, but I'll start with the first two. So first thing I do is I gotta look at the wings, and then I'm putting my feet right onto the wings, very close to the body, and I'm pulling gently on the legs. Okay. You do this very gently because if you go too fast, one of the wings will rip off or one of the legs will rip off and then you'll be stuck. And then you'll probably have to do the third way to finish it up. So simple, pull gently on the legs. And then after that, just, put a finger in there and just clean the inside of the guts. If you want to keep the liver and the heart, it's up to you. Obviously, when you're way the hell up north, you're so far north that there's nothing around, you don't really worry about those small items because you're gonna have to hump them back a while, and then they'll get all dried up in the bag, all of that. So get the partridge done like that. What I'll do is if I'm only not too far away, I generally don't carry a bag with me or all the small items. I'll put the partridge inside of its wings, so close the wings on the breast itself, and put it in my pocket. The second way is also fairly easy. It's almost the same principle, except you need a bit more strength because you're pulling on the body. Remember to pull very gently. You don't want to snap. If you do that, something will snap and then you'll be stuck. And you'll have to do the third way that I show you. So clean around the guts, same thing again. And then you got your breasts going right there. Clean up your hands in the wood, very easy. Use the dirt, obviously, on the ground. Hunting partridge is a lot of fun, just walking around the woods. You don't have to be that quiet. It's not like they're running away miles in front of you. So you can chit-chat with your friend or your cousins and then, have a good time. So I always clean them up while I'm in the wood, and then if I'm gonna have a bag with me, I'll probably have a Ziploc in the bag or a plastic container, and then I'll be removing also the wings right into the woods, and then I'll just put just the breast inside the Ziploc itself. If you're gonna cut the wings off, remember to use like a solid surface so you can cut with your knife, and then just put exactly where you need to cut and gentle press, and that's all you need to do to cut the wings off. The third way is probably my favorite way, this way. That's the way I do it. Like I said, every time I shoot, I'll do it right there on the spot, and then I can carry on with what I'm doing, and I'm not too worried because the fox and other small animals will eat the remains right there. It's funny how fast these guys are. Go the next day, boom, it's gone. It's amazing. You never see them, but they're there. So the last way that I'll do it is I'll grab it on its back. I'll remove the chest right off, just like that, and then what I'll do is I'll put my fingers between the chest and the remainder of the legs, and I'll just be opening it up like a can opener, and then gently pull towards the inside. Everything comes out real nice and clean. And grab, pull, and that's all she writes. So simple ways to skin a partridge. Hope you guys have a good time hunting partridge this fall. And then if you need any recipes for moose hunting, I'll be doing a bunch, obviously. I need to eat the moose from last year because I'm not done eating all of that, so I'll be cooking moose for the next few weeks. If you have any ideas or comments, send them my way. Hope to see you soon. Thank you very much.